Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Putranto. I'm an Associate Technical Advisor at Sinex Metro Data Indonesia. And today we will learn about how to check event at Virtual Smart Zone. So this event is we must check regularly, especially if there is some error or there is a customer or client cannot connect to SSID, and we need to troubleshoot, and we can troubleshoot at the event. So the prerequisite about this access point is access point already broadcasted SSID and user already connected to SSID. And let's take a look at the controller. From the dashboard, we need to go to the event and alarms, and then we go to event. In here, we can troubleshoot if there is AP disconnected, or we can check AP connected after discovery, or AP is the heartbeat is lost. We can check it here, and then we can search meet to match only, for example, only MAC address or only the access point name. Okay, we can match the access point name, and then we can troubleshoot from here. Like this is there is if an event that the AP DHCP service is failure, but both primary DHCP is secondary and secondary is down. So this is the event management of the Smart Zone, and I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.